Hey everyone, it's Donna here from Donna's Creative Corner, and I am here today with a little bit of everything actually. I'm going to start off with some grab bags. They're lace grab bags. I apologize if I'm trying to rush through this video, but there's a very strong line of storms getting ready to come through here, so I'm hoping to get this done before it hits. Up first is Lot T. They are grab bags. I already have them put together. There's a nice variety in them. I have a whole bunch put together. I think I have 17. This first grab bag is all neutrals, whites, creams, and kind of a tan color. And it will be a grab bag. The grab bags are $5 a piece, and you get quite a bit in there for $5. So that is Lot T. There's some vintage ones in there. There's some pieces of crochet. It's just a mix of everything I've got in my lace box right now. So that is Lot T. Lot U is grab bags, lace grab bags as well, but these are all colorful laces. I tried to put as much of a variety in each one as I could, all different colors. There's very little, if any, well, there's only a white in there because it has a blue edge around it. But all colorful, perfect for your boho or your gypsy projects. These are $5 each as well. And then lastly, for the lace grab bags, I'm calling them Shabby Chic grab bags because they're neutrals and pinks. Whites, creams, and pinks in each one. So these are a few that I have put together. It's a mix of ruffled and flat, different widths, different sizes. Just about everything in here is around a yard. There's very few that are less than a yard, and there may be some that's more than a yard, especially the real thin ones. I'd put more than a yard. So a nice variety. That is Lot V, the Shabby Chic lace grab bags. And then up next, I have some crochet trims. First is Lot W. This one is a white, or maybe just off white, and it's a very different design. You have these back and forth pattern. It's already in lengths of 1.5 yards, so it's by the piece, 1.5 yards, and this is $2.50 per piece, and it is 2.5 inches wide. Come on. So it look good on the spine of a fabric album or along the edge. It's very different. I've never had anything like this before. So that is Lot W. I have 18 of these available, $2.50 a piece. Oh, I forgot to say at the beginning that there's a $5 minimum order on today's video. X. Oh, here's X. X is a very wide, very soft trim. It is, I'd say, a very light cream color. It is 7.5 inches deep, so this would be nice to cover a page, and you have the scallop at the bottom. I'm selling this by the yard. I have 7 yards available, and I'm asking $3 per yard for this crochet. It's almost like a crocheted fabric. 7.5 inches wide. That is Lot X. Lot Y is a white trim. It is 2 inches thick. It's in 1 yard pieces, and I am selling this for $2 per yard. Pretty white crochet trim. That is Lot Y. I only have 3 yards of this one available. Lot Z is a tan crochet trim. It is 4.5 inches deep, and that's from here up to here. These ones that are like this, I like to flip them around and use them as dangles. You cut up the edge and you have some crochet dangles on this type. This is lot Z. It comes in a 1 1/4 yard piece for $2.25, and I only have three pieces of this one available. That is lot Z. Starting the alphabet over again, lot A is another cream one. Actually, this one is very similar to that really wide one. It's not quite as wide. This one is 5 inches, where the other one is 7.5 inches. It's cream, good for covering fabric albums or fabric pages. This one comes in a 1 1/3 yard piece, and that piece is $2.75. That is lot A, and I only have 3 pieces of this one available. Lot B is another crochet trim, I would say cream. This one is 3.5 inches deep. This one comes in a 1 yard piece. I have 6 yards available, and this is $2.25 a yard. Pretty cream. Ooh, I hear the thunder in the distance. That is lot B. Lot C is kind of more of a fabric. It's the filet style. I'm going to come out a little bit. This one is it's an ecru color, just that good antique color. It is 9 inches deep, and the piece is 33 inches long, so it's just shy of a yard. You can see the floral pattern in it. This is also good for covering for making fabric albums. So it's a nice long piece of that. This is lot C. I have 8 pieces of this available, and I'm asking $5 a piece for this one. And lastly, I have Shabby Chic Embellishment kits. These kits are $25 a piece, and this is all you get in it. I have 8 of these available. I'm gonna come down so you can see all the different pieces in here. There are 3 of these heavily beaded appliques in kind of a skin tone almost color. There's 3 of those. You'll get 3 of this white applique with the rolled roses and the pearls on it. So you'll get 3 of those. You'll get 3 of these little pink butterflies with a bow and a pearl in the center of it. So you get 3 of those. You'll get 3 of these flowers with the kind of organza leaf petals on them and a big pearl in the center. 3 of those. You'll get 3 of these appliques. They're actually 3 layers. You've got the Venice lace, you've got kind of a sheer, and then the top, and then the pearl. So you'll get 3 of those. You'll get 3 of these flowers that I have made. They're probably about 3 inches wide with a beautiful pearl in the center. You will get 3 of these hearts with the little bow in the center and the pearl. You'll get 3 of these appliques with pearls and the pearl cluster there. 3 of those. You'll get 3 of these with the cream and pink rolled roses on them and the pearls. Let me see it separate. There you go. You'll get 5 of these little, I don't know, little pink and white spiders. They're just adorable. I love these. They were from that one pink and cream tablecloth I had last weekend, or not last weekend, but this month, that sold out. Those were the connector pieces on it. There will be 5 of these wedding dress appliques, little flowers with the leaves. 5 of those, and then 5 of these just plain flowers with just sequins and pearls. You will also get 18 inches of this beaded trim, pearl trim. You will get 12 inches of this bling trim. And this is, oh, how wide is this? It's about 5 inches wide. So you'll get 12 inches of that to bling it up. And also an assortment of beads and buttons. In here there's 3 of these big pearl gold buttons. A pack of these, these are loose pearls but they're on a string. A whole pack of pink pearls. 4 of these metal flower buttons. You've seen these before. These are larger than I had before, I think. 4 of those. 3 of these tiny bling gold buttons. 1 of my, this will be different in every kit. 1 of my dangle, my flower dangles that I make. 1 of these baubles. Oh, there's a lot of shine, but there's some pink roses with pale green leaves behind the bauble. 3 of these larger cabochons, like what were on those flowers that I made. There are 3 smaller ones here. There's, I think, 3 of these pearl dangles. 1 of this large pearl with the eye hook on the top, you can hang from the end of something. And then a variety of other pearls, and there's also some of those teeny tiny little buttons, vintage buttons that I was selling at one point. I still have a few left for my kits, so there's a few of those in here too. Different pearls and different sizes. So that is the, oh wait a minute, there's a little bit more. There's some doilies in here too. There's 3 of this one, 3 of this pineapple one, and only 2 of this square one here. So there. That is the Shabby Chic Embellishment Kit, $25 a piece. I have 8 of these put together. If you are interested in anything you have seen in today's video, the instructions on how to order are in the description box down below. And as things sell out, I will mark them sold in the description box down below as well. That's all I have for today. Bye for now.